They can switch off part of our digital life from far away. Here in the United States, from December 23, a test begins. How much a country can limit or block a technology used by everyone? The case is DJI drones, but the logic touches phones, connected cars, and home cameras. Stay with me until the end, because I will explain why this matters to all of us. Every drone records video and location. For years, thousands of DJI drones have flown over dams, pipelines, and power lines, creating a detailed map of critical places using devices tied to a foreign company. At the same time, these drones depend on remote software rules. A change in regulation or an update can ground whole fleets, as happened to several police forces in Florida, with high cost and slower emergency response. In Ukraine, similar commercial drones have been adapted for war, showing how the same hardware can move from weddings to battlefields. And this is why the US now treats drones as a critical infrastructure. For hobby pilots, December 23 will not switch drones off, but it will push them into a gray zone. Harder to buy, harder to repair, future software uncertain. For anyone who uses connected devices, the message is simple. When we rely on tools controlled by a few distant players, we accept that someone else one day might own the off switch.